it. All right. Do you see how beautiful that is? Cinco de Mayo. Hola Familia! In honor of Cinco de Mayo, I mean, you gotta make a salsa. This is by far one of my favorites. It is a restaurant style salsa. This is all the ingredients you will need to make yourself a quick 5-minute restaurant style salsa. Love it. All right, first, you're going to need a can of whole tomatoes. You can buy diced tomatoes or whole tomatoes. Just don't buy the Italian tomatoes because then you'll get like Italian seasonings in there, but you're gonna go ahead and put it in your food processor or blender. I got a new food processor, so I'm gonna use it. All right, now with the jalapenos. Some people remove the seeds. The seed is not the spicy part, it's actually the membrane that's spicy. But anyway, I'm not gonna do that because why? So I'm gonna do 2 jalapenos, and because in honor of Joe, we gotta throw a red serrano in there. So let's see if I'll be able to eat it. We're gonna do 4 cloves of garlic, 4, some cilantro. Amanda, I hear you. You don't have to put cilantro in it, but it's really tasty. Well, for me, some people say it tastes like soap, I don't know. Half an onion, I did cut it into 4s, and then we're gonna do the juice of 1 lime and just, you know, squirt it everywhere because that's how that goes. Okay, you know what? No, I need my thingy. This is the thingy I was referring to. A lot of people put it in like this, by the way. It's supposed to go like this because this part goes into the flesh of the lime. So if you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong. All right. See how much more lime juice came out? I'm obviously not that strong. All right, so now that you have that, you're gonna blend that up and then we're gonna add our seasonings. So I don't know how to use this thing yet, but we'll see. All right, ready? Do you see how beautiful that is? It looks so pretty. Now we're gonna add the seasoning. So unclip, pop open. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're going to add some comino. This is how I roll with cumin at my house. I have this giant thing because I love it and it's delicious. So 1 teaspoon of cumin. And the salt is really your preference. So I'm gonna do 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of salt. I really just taste everything as I go, honestly. The hardest part about being the busy mommy is actually telling y'all what ingredients go in what because I just don't know. Now, you don't have this, so I apologize, but I'm gonna use my BusyMami adobo seasoning. I think it adds a little kick. Not kick because there's no spice in it, but it adds garlic powder, it has turmeric in it, has some really good flavors. You don't need that, but if you have it, use it. All right, let's blend again. All right, tomatoes are acidic. So because they are acidic, you wanna add a little bit of sugar to just counter that or else they're gonna be a little too bitter. So I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of sugar. You don't have to do this, but I think it brings out a little bit more flavor and it helps reduce some of that. So we're gonna blend one more time. That's it, literally. It hasn't even been 5 minutes of me filming and I got it. And honestly, super quick. So now we're gonna try it. These poor tortilla chips. Let's see. That is so good. Y'all, you need to do it. I need to add more peppers to this. It's not spicy. Joe would be like, what is this? All right, so add as much spice as you want. I would probably add another 4 jalapenos to this, maybe another serrano. So I think that's what I'm about to do. I wasn't kidding, I told you. I told you I was gonna add it. Look at this big mama jamma. Sometimes jalapenos aren't spicy though, that's the problem. Sometimes I'll get ones that are like super bland and sometimes I'll get some that are like, oh yeah. And then another big chili. Now it's gonna be too spicy and I'm just gonna have to give it all to Joe. Here we go. Now let's try it. Please don't burn my face off. You see this vibrant color though? I mean, it's still not spicy enough. So as always, I thank you for watching. Love each and every one of you. And you know what? Maybe you should like, comment, subscribe. What kind of salsa do you want me to see make next? I'm loving all the salsas right now. They're so good. Ooh, take this salsa, put it in with some chicken in the crock pot. So good. But happy Cinco de Mayo. Make some tacos and some restaurant salsa. And I'll see y'all next time. Adios. You just like to film me being funny. Everybody say, Cinco de Mayo.